Hey YouTube, today I want to do a quick video about some silver I got in the mail today. So, not all of the silver is mine, but yeah. So this is my sister's 5-ounce Fujitaku. It's a really nice coin. She loved the 1-ounce, so she just saved up all of her money and yeah, bought herself a 5-ounce. This is a really nice coin. She didn't want me to buy this because she wanted to have a coin that I didn't have. So yeah, now she got a 5-ounce Fujitaku. So that's a really nice coin. For me, I got myself 10. It's not a full tube. I got 10 maple leaves. I can open up and show you. That one of them. Some nice maple leaves. I want to try to, get a full tube of it. So yeah, 10 ounces now. As you can see, it's really nice. No milk spots on them, at least not on the first one. So yeah, I don't want to take them out of the tube. So yeah, and my dad. This is my dad's tube. He don't care about milk spots and some small fingerprints and stuff. So he bought the cheapest silver. That's 20 ounces of some silver coins with maybe some milk spots or fingerprints on. Yeah, he got them cheap. It's not all of premium on those. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching, and please like, favorite, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, 10 ounces for this month. I can try to get some more, but I'm not sure. I don't really have a lot of money now because I bought a kilo coin, as I showed you in another video. But yeah, that's all for today, and see you guys later.